listen, but clearly they don't want to talk to you.
I don't.
Well, we have a problem then because see, I have my ticket and I don't go to St. Laurent.
If in fact they can do that, then they will open it up to a few more students to pass.
Slap it up.
Everything gon' change. Me and my boy still bang. Clap a nigga up, no.
He's my cup, stupid ass bitch.
It's your boy Bigger Bill, me, CJ, y'all already know, man. Team Legacy, man, Tay Legacy, Team Legacy, hit me, Swizzy down, she got your bed. Doing it here, passion. Passion. 51-49, after party here at Passions, man. SAU versus Shaw, after party. Shout out my nigga Black in the building, follow that nigga, yo. We out here.
DJ Johnny.
Crack house still chillin'. FaceTime on the phone. She can't in the slow, always down, in the slow.
Right here. We about to do that's it. I see you smack. And I said, whoa. You better. Say that's the new